I am at the Eggersmann Kitchen and Home Living showroom downtown in the Design District. And in today's lifestyle, everyone wants to have a minimalistic feel in their home, but in reality, we all have stuff, and where do we put that stuff? Eggersmann Home Living has thought of everything. So for example, you're in this beautiful living room, and now you just pull this down and you've got a desk. You need to get to work, especially during COVID, we need a place to work at home. Here it is, but it's hidden. Everything is thought of. We've got touch release drawers. It's so easy. You put your stamps, your stationery, everything goes in here. When you've got a big pile of papers, we can hide it when we close the drawer. We've got electrical and USB. We've got some more hidden spaces back here to put papers, but this is so intuitive. And when you're done, you want to hide all your stuff. You've got a pile of paper, you don't want anyone to see it, companies coming over, bam, it's gone. And so I'm going to show you my favorite part of this living space. You just open up this cabinet and here's the bar. It's got everything you need. And if you're James Bond, shake and not stir, baby. Here you go. And then you can close it up and voila, it's gone. Everyone's talking today about minimalistic lifestyle and minimalism, and Eggersmann has hit the nail on the head. They've really created spaces where you can have your life and have your stuff, but feel like you're living in a clean, minimalistic space. They have hidden storage and everything's so well lit. So for example, here you just open up this cabinet and you've got a built-in bookshelf. But not only is it a bookshelf, the lights turn on when you open the cabinet so you can see what you have. It's just so intuitive. Here, you just push latch, this wall opens and you've got another storage space. And this could be a great space to hide some of your media equipment that nobody wants to see. So your space is clear and clean. Here's something that's really cool. Alexa, let's watch some TV. What's on the news? All you have to do is wire up this TV to your Alexa. You don't even have to get up and press a button. They couldn't make it any easier. Totally cool, totally minimalistic lifestyle, but beautiful. Just love this place.